Hello, welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. Today, we're gonna make a Caipiroska, so let's get into it. So we're gonna take half a lime, and then we're just gonna dice this into 4 wedges by going in half. Ooh, in half again. And then I'm gonna go straight down the middle, so get all these dices. And grab the glass. Then we're good to go. We're gonna take the muddler, and then we're gonna muddle all this up. Like so. We're gonna take our sugar syrup, and we're gonna go for 20 ml. Straight in. Taking out the vodka, some good Absolut. 45 ml. Some crushed ice, the mess. This is called a SCHMUDDLE, the correct term, SCHMUDDLE. There's a little bit of a crown. Caipiroska.